Hi, this is Paris Wells for the Beauty TV Minute on the Beauty Network. Sometimes topical products just don't cut it. The quickest and most long-lasting way to achieve clear skin is by putting the right foods in your body. Here are the best foods you can eat for clear skin. Number 1, dark berries. From raspberries to blackberries, daily consumption of dark berries will provide your skin with the antioxidants it needs to stay healthy and strong. Number 2, peppermint. Peppermint has calming and healing properties that work, when consumed, from the inside out to clear up your skin. Peppermint also helps with digestion and relieves stress, which both can lead to acne. Number 3, nuts. Nuts are a healthy snack packed with minerals that help your body fight off infection and strengthen the skin's natural barrier. Number 4, tomatoes. This red fruit is rich in vitamin C, which helps the skin remain tight and firm by helping with collagen production and stimulating circulation. Eat these foods every day and you're in for a treat. This is Paris Wells for the Beauty TV Minute on the Beauty Network.